An episode of life is over, and perhaps the most important one. It's been 12 memorable years, but it seems like it was yesterday when I came in this school, holding my father's hand and with tears in my eyes, to embark upon this journey, which has now come to an end and has left me with unforgettable memories.
This batch is very special for me. As head boy, head girl, many captains and vice captains and other council members are from commerce section. This is the batch of all rounders. I want to say, wherever you go, remember to carry the values taught to you here. Always believe in yourself, never give up. Give your best. And climb every mountain, ford every stream, follow every rainbow till you find your dream.
It has been a journey which started 14 years back, leading to excellence. Being a Paulite in itself is a matter of honor, and I consider myself privileged to have played my role here as head boy of this prestigious institution, which has seen over 50 golden years of excellence.
I have known this batch for the last 2 years or more. I have been teaching them English and I know most of them by name, and this is one of the best batch in the last few years. I wish them all the best in their forthcoming board exams, in their competitive exams, and all the best in life.
Finally, you are ready to leave the school. I hope all these years, whatever you have studied, this will be useful to you. Study wise, it is nothing great. You can get your education anywhere. But what morals we inculcate into you, that plays very important role. Because the world in which you are going to face now, that world is day by day, the things are deteriorated, and it is necessary that whatever you have learned, whatever morals we have put into you, that you should use properly and you should face the world in a better way. Not only your education should be used for your goodness, but it should also be of some value to the society. Do well and excel.
यारी तेरी यारी चल माना इस बारी सारी मेरी फिक्र तेरे आगे आगे हारी बह लगी मुझको तेरी बीमारी इस बेढंगी दुनिया के संगी हम न होते यारा अपनी तो यारी अतरंगी है कर मेरे नीशा में हुड़दंगी बस मलंगी यारा अपनी तो यारी अतरंगी है रे अतरंगी रे
Students, you've been with me for a couple of years. And I've always told you something very inspirational in class. And today I would like to tell you about a student who has had a very big impact on my life. This little child suffered from a disease called muscular dystrophy. His name was Gagan. Unlike the stars, like the sky, like the Gagan that he was, that boy was always smiling in spite of all his pain. Why am I telling you this story? Because you're going to step out into this world. And I want you to get some inspiration from his story. And his story is such. This boy couldn't walk, couldn't even stand, couldn't even drink a glass of water. Do you know he came to school every day? Till class 10, he came regularly to school. He did his 10th class examination by himself without a writer. Is it because this boy was a fighter? Not in one who went around banging up everybody, but somebody who had determination. An intent without a writer, without being able to draw diagrams, without being able to do his construction sums in mathematics. He was so excellent, he passed in flying colors. And you know, in 12th, he took science. A child who couldn't go to the so-called good coachings studied basically at home, 11th and 12th. And finally, the student got very good marks in 12th. What an achievement for a child who can't stand, who can't walk, and he couldn't do anything for himself. Ultimately, he went to Lord Buddha College, did computer science. And what I want to tell you is, this little child could only move his hands. And he made a project, and this project was judged as second or third best in Rajasthan. The thunderous applause he got when he went to collect his prize, because they didn't realize he was in a wheelchair. And finally, Buddha, this little boy, God took him to his heavenly abode. But why am I telling you and relating the story to you? Because if this boy had nothing and yet he could make it, you have everything. I'm sure you can make it to great heights. You've got everything. You can move around. You can study, you can run, you can play. This boy never played, never ran. But he smiled always. And that's what my advice to you is today. Never give up. If he could do it, he's also polite. And today I acknowledge him as the greatest polite son. And if he could do it, I'm sure and I'm confident, each and every one of you, equipped with such good qualities, can do your best, and God will surely bless you once you give your best to whatever you do. Goodbye, good luck, and God bless you all.